Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to learn types of number. So in this types of number we have 5 numbers that are natural number, whole number, integer, rational number and irrational number. So in whole number we have some sub numbers, that is even number, odd number, prime number and composite number. So one by one I am going to explain what is this number mean. So we'll start with natural number. So first number is, that is natural number. Natural number which start with which start from, I hope it is visible, we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and go on continue, is called natural number. Okay. Natural number which start from 1. I am saying start from 1, not from 0. Start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's go on continue. Is known as natural number. Now next number is whole number. Whole number which start from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and go on continue. Okay, it's go on continue, that is called whole number. Okay, what is different between natural number and whole number? Natural number start from 1 and whole number start from 0. Okay, so some in whole number some sub numbers are there which we are going to learn, and that is, first one is even number. So now we are going to learn what is even number. Even number is which is divisible by 2. Okay, which is divisible by 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and continue. Okay, so what is even number which is divisible by 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. This all are divisible by 2. So this is called even number. So next number is odd number. Odd number which is divisible, okay, here, which is does not divisible, does not welcome, which does not divisible by 2. Okay, odd number which does not divisible by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and continue. Okay, so which does not divisible by 2 is odd number, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. and continue. I hope you understood. Now next number is prime number. Prime number, here prime number means which has no factor other than 1 and itself. Okay, it means that it is divisible by itself. It means it divisible by itself. So here are the example. 2 is divisible by 2 itself. 3 is also. 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and more continue. Okay, so here these numbers are divisible in itself. Okay, so 2 will come in 2 table, 3 will come in 3 table only, 5 also come in 5 table, 7 also come in its own table, 11 also come in its own table, 13 also will come in its own table. I hope you understood what is prime number now. So next one is composite number, the last one of whole number, that is composite number. A number, it means that a number which has more than one factor. Okay, it has more than one factor other than itself. Other than itself. For example, 4 will come in 2 table, it will come in 1 table. Okay, so it is a number which has more than one factor. Okay, and next one is 6. 6 ones are 6, 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so it is also come in more than one factor. So 8 also, 1 8s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So it is also having more than one factor. 9 also, in 1 9s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9. So it's also having more than one factor. 12 also having more than one factor. 1 12s are 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12. I hope you are understanding. 3 4s are 4 3s are. Okay, so it is also having more than one factor, so it is called composite number. So it is going to be continue. So before starting integer, just note down important notes regarding number 1. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Okay, now we are going to start integer. So third number is integer. So a number can be positive. I hope it is visible. A number can be positive or negative or 0. Integer means a number that can be positive or negative or 0. Example, -3, -2, -1. Okay. Let's go on infinity of -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Okay. Even 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This all numbers are called integer. I hope you understood. Now next number we are going to learn. Now next number is rational number. Any number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integer and Q is not equal to 0. Okay. For example, number like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write this number as a 0 upon 1, 1 upon 1, 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1. This all are whole number. These are whole numbers. Okay. Now -1, -2, -3, -4. These all are rational number. These all are rational number. Now for example, square root of 9 we can write as 3 upon 1. Square root of 16 we can write as 4 upon 1. For example, if we divide 1 upon 3, okay, we'll get answer 0.3333. It's go on recurring. It's a recurring number. It's a recurring number. So we can write as 0.3 and we can put bar on it because there is no end of it. Okay. Every recurring number is rational number. Okay. Every recurring number is rational number. One more example, 7 upon 6. When we divide this both, we'll get 1.16666. This go on repeating, then we will put 1.16. We'll put 1 bar. Okay, because it's not going to be stop. Seventeen upon 7 is equal to 2.4285714285.7. See here you can see it's go on repeating. 42 is again repeated here. So it is also recurring. So what we will do, we'll put bar on it. 2.428571. When again the 42 will start, we'll put bar on it. So it is also a rational number. This is called rational number. Okay. So therefore, so here important notes is every terminating decimal or recurring number is rational number. So this is very important point. Every terminating decimal or recurring number is rational number. I hope you understood what is rational number now. Now we are going to move next point, that is irrational number. The next is irrational number. So here any number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, any number that cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q is irrational number. Why I have cut this? So that you should understand what is different between rational number and what is different between irrational number. In rational number, any number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q. But in the irrational number, any number that cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q. Okay. For example, root 2. The value of root 2 is how much? 1.14 1.414 okay, so it is not repeating here, it's not repeating, but the number is go on increasing. Okay, again root 3 will not get, root 5, root 15. Okay, now if we see the pi r, the pi 22 upon 7, when we divide we'll get how much? 3.142857. okay, here also if you can see the numbers are continue, it is irrational. It is irrational. It's non-recurring. It's non-recurring. It's go on continue, but it is non-recurring number. It's a non-recurring number. When we find the root 3, when we divide that, we will not get the number. Okay. So, for example, pi 22 upon 7, when we divide, we'll get how much? 3.142857. Here you can see there is not, it's go on continue, it's not going to stop, but it is non-recurring number. It is a irrational number. This is what? This is irrational number. Here also square 2. The value of square 2 when we take out, we'll get 1.414213. Here also you can see it's not going to stop. The number is not going to stop. It is non-recurring number. So here important note is all non-terminating non-recurring decimal are irrational number. So today we have learned what is types of number. I hope you understood. So please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thank you.